Hey Praisers and Savers, I'm about to head to Publix and get some deals after school today. I love Publix because the hauls for Publix are always pretty small, so I'm not in there a terrible amount of time, and I'm getting a lot of grocery items I'm needing. I'm working on that Weekend Warrior bonus with IBOTTA and also that September bonus. That is actually over on Sunday, so I've got to hit that and be finished with that. I shouldn't have much more to go. But anyways, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And if you would like to join me with any of the IBOTTA, Fetch, Shopkicks, or Swagbucks apps, and those rebate apps, please look in the description for my code. You get a kickback, and I do as well. All right, guys, let's get started. Very first deal we're getting is on this Palmolive. This is the 32.5 fluid ounces. This is huge. It's a quart. It's a big bottle. I never see bottles this big. And these are $4.49 on Vego. Now these are the medium-sized bottles. That's what I usually get. Of course, there's small ones, but they don't have them here at the store. But these are huge, and for $4.49 Vego. So what you're going to do is pick up 2 of these. You're going to use 2 of these 50-cent coupons. So 2 of those 50-cent coupons. I'm actually going to use 4 because I'm going to buy 4 bottles today. And what's going to happen is it's going to bring it down when you buy 2 of them to $3.49. So that is like saying for each one $2.29, and then with that 50-cent coupon it's going to bring it down to $1.79 each. So $1.79 each for each one is pretty good considering they were $4.49 in the first place. So picking up 4 of these. Got a really great deal on this Chobani probiotic drink. They've got the pineapple, peach, and the cherry. So these, for one of them, are $1.89, but of course, if you do the Vego, they'll be $3.79. We're going to pick up one of them at $1.89. There's a 50-cent coupon on the Publix app, bringing it down to $1.39. And then on IBOTTA, you're going to get 2 offers on IBOTTA. You're going to get a 75 cent for the Chobani, and then you'll get a 10-cent any. So that's 85 cents in IBOTTA rebates, making this just 54 cents each. Next deal we have is on the Betty Crocker cookie cups. These are usually $3.99, but we're going to get them on BOGO today, and we're actually picking up 2 boxes. And there is a $1 off 2 in the Publix coupon, so on the digital. So $1 off 2 on the digital, so you don't really need any paper coupons for this. And when you take $1 off of 2 of them, it's going to make it $1.49 each, or $3 together. And they have the birthday cake, the chocolate fudge, salted caramel pretzel, and also the chocolate chip fudge. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these at $3. Super excited about this Barilla Vero Gusto. I don't know how you say that. This is a high value coupon that we have this week. These are $5.99 on BOGO, so it makes them $3 each. And we have a $3 coupon, making these totally for free. I have 5 coupons, and I'm going to use all 5 of them and get 5 jars of this tomato sauce absolutely free. I think I'm going to try the tomato basil and the Sicilian herb. I think those are 2 that I think I'm gonna pick up today. So get yours today, totally free. All right, I got a shelf staple and a family favorite here. This is the Vego yellow rice. These are $1.39, and they are on BOGO. So I'm picking up both packages at $1.39 together. I'm gonna try this royal rice here. It is $2.19 on BOGO. I'm just gonna pick up one of them today. And then there's a 50-cent coupon coming back on the Publix app. So you can use that 50-cent coupon. Go ahead and find it. It's going to make this, after just getting one and the 50-cent coupon, just 60 cents per bag. Right, got a great deal on this Roanoke Pasta, or you can get the sauce, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to get the pasta for my kiddos. They've got the Italian sausage, garlic, mushroom, ricotta, cheese lover. So I think I'm going to pick up, let's say, probably just get the cheese lover. I'm not really sure which one they like the best. These are $4.49. They're on BOGO. So what we're going to do is pick up one of them at $2.29, and then there is a Publix coupon on the app for $1 off, making that just $1.29 per bag What an amazing deal. $1.29 per bag. No coupons. I'm really excited about trying these Mason-Dixie biscuits, breakfast sandwiches. I actually picked up the biscuits a couple weeks ago. I still haven't made them, but I'm going to pick up the Buttermilk breakfast sandwiches today. They're on sale, Vego. Buy one, get one free for $6.29 if you buy two. But I'm just going to pick up one today at $3.14. There's an e-coupon on the Publix app for $1, making these $2.14 each. Alright, we are all done with our Publix haul today. Probably my favorite thing that I picked up was the Vero pasta sauce because it was absolutely free using those $3 coupons. I also was very happy with the Palmolive because those are huge bottles. Alright guys, let me know what you scored at Publix this week and if there's anything else that I missed because I will be going back probably Monday or Tuesday. Alright, see you guys on the next one.